Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change WhatsApp notification sound. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on top right 3 dots. After that you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings, here you have to click on notifications. When you click on the notification, here you will see an option for notification tone. You have to click on this. Click on the notification tone here. Now here you can change the notification sound or tone. Here you can select any tone. Apart from this, you can also add the ringtone of your choice from your mobile gallery phone by clicking on Add Ringtone. In this way you can change the sound and ringtone of WhatsApp notification. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.